rail fans, welcome back to another video here on the Rusty Boxcar channel. Got 3 trains coming your way today. If you haven't already, please click on that subscribe button down below. Also click on the bell next to it, whether you have or you haven't subscribed yet. That bell will give you notifications of when new videos release. You won't have to look each day or search through the search bar to see if we've got new videos up. Today's video, we start off with a X647. That is a manifest train. And then second up, we've got Q648. Now, I'll be up front with you. The Q648, I was actually out that day searching for a 648, realized later that I was looking for X648. It had a Ferromex unit trailing second on it, and it never made its way to town on the day I was out chasing. It was actually still down near Chattanooga. But the Q648 that I did run across, I'd heard that he left his train on the A2 track coming out of the Radnor Yard in Nashville and was going to bring the engines up to Kane Avenue. So I thought and hoped maybe that the Ferromex engine would be part of that consist. Ran downtown to the south end of the Kane Avenue yard, and just a single CSX locomotive came through. I did, again, find out later that it wasn't even the train I was really after. So not a lot to see there, but you'll get to see some of downtown and that locomotive come past. And then we're going to finish up with I-142 that we got on November 6th. This one's really cool. It's led up by 2 of the CM44AC rebuilds. 7020, which used to be CSX 9106, and 7012, which used to be 9109. I don't know this to be true, but I would have to think these were the first runs on these new locomotives. They are super shiny. Everything down to the wheels, perfect paint. Doesn't look like a speck of dirt is anywhere on either one of these trains or either one of these locomotives. So really cool to see that. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks for continuing to support the channel, and here we go with the video. And this is X647, so it's an extra Q647, making its run from the clearing yard in Chicago, Illinois, down to Rice Yard in Waycross, Georgia. Led up by a couple of locomotives, 5274 and 827. It's going to be passing us extremely slow as he prepares himself to make a stop at the Maplewood signal. And this is that I-142 on November 6th. It's making its run north with Intermodal from Duval Yard in Jacksonville, Florida, up to Osborne Yard in Louisville, Kentucky. It's got those two extremely fresh, beautiful CM44AC rebuilds on it. 7020 used to be CSX 9106. 7012 used to be 9109. Again, can't prove that this was their first run, but if you take them back and freeze frame it and look at them real slow, they do not appear that they have had a speck of dirt on them yet, so pretty cool to see those. Thanks for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, click on the thumbs up below to give us a like. Also, please click on the Rusty Boxcar logo on the right side of the screen to get a subscription to the channel. And send us a comment. Really enjoy reading all your comments, and I try to respond to each one of them. Thanks, and have a nice day.